There are 5 traditional branches of philosophy. They are metaphysics, epistemology, ethics, logic, and aesthetics. Metaphysics is obtained from the combination of 2 Greek words, meta, which means beyond, and physics, which means nature. The word came to be used in reference to studies that dealt with things that were beyond the physical world, things that were considered to be in existence but yet could not be perceived through the senses. The term was also used in reference to the study of ultimate cause of all things. Metaphysical studies is synonymous with theological studies. Some Western scholars have conjectured that the term metaphysics probably came into use in philosophy texts after Andronicus of Rhodes used it to designate a collection by Aristotle that came after the physics. Metaphysics raises questions that cannot be answered or explained by scientific observation and experiment. Examples of such question is, does God exist? If he does, what is his mode of existence? Metaphysics tries to understand the nature of the real universe. The distinction between particulars and universals, individuals and classes, the nature of relations, change, causation, and the nature of mind and mental objects, like thoughts, ideas, and imagination and soul. It also studies subjects like the nature of matter, space and time, the problem of evil, freedom and determinism. Epistemology. The word epistemology is a combination of 2 Greek words, epistem, which means knowledge, and logos, which means science, reason, or justification. The etymological meaning of the word epistemology is the science of knowledge or the justification of knowledge. Epistemology is the branch of philosophy that studies the origin, nature, and scope of knowledge. It raises questions such as, what really do we mean when we say we know something? How do we come to know what we claim to know? What is it that makes some beliefs true and others false? Can we have knowledge of things outside our mind? Does all knowledge depend upon sense experience? The study of epistemology also focuses on the analysis of the standards employed in judging the genuineness of claims. Ethics. The word ethics has its root from the Greek word ethos, which means character or way of life. Technically, the term is used with reference to the study of the principles of human action. From the normative perspective, ethics is used interchangeably with morality. Thus, normative ethics has to do with the study and prescription of rules and regulations regarding the rightness and wrongness of human action. This approach to ethics determines what is to be done and what is not to be done if the human person is to live a moral life. The descriptive approach prescribes how human beings should or should not act. Logic. The term logic has its root meaning from the Greek word logos, which can be translated variedly as reason, justification, or rationale. Logic deals with reasoning and the provision of rational justification for our claims. The proper domain of logic is to show how to think and reason correctly, how to reach true and certain conclusions. Logic can be defined generally as the study of the method and principles used to distinguish correct from incorrect reasoning. Aesthetics. Aesthetics is a branch of philosophy that is concerned with the study of the principles for evaluating the beautiful and the ugly. According to Alexander Gottlieb Baumgarten, aesthetics means the science of sensitive knowledge with regards to beauty. It might be noted here that there are 3 main types of beauties: moral beauty, intellectual beauty, and physical beauty. The one that involves aesthetics is the physical beauty. However, aesthetics does not include the beauty or ugliness of natural objects, including human. In physical beauty, aesthetics studies art forms. It raises questions like, what is the purpose of art? What is the nature of beauty? How does one recognize a great work of art? And so on.
Please click the subscribe button for more.